There are three things I really wish I knew about Salesforce before I dismissed it and didn't use it until recently. I was wrong. First, Salesforce is not just a sales tool. I thought all Salesforce was good for was in the name, right? Sales. Honestly, it's the best software with the worst possible name. Just calling themselves Salesforce, they're locked into that being lodged into all of their potential customers' brains. Salesforce is so much more than just a sales tool. They not only have, there's upwards of 20, 30 products right now that they can sell on their platform, but there are thousands upon thousands of apps that you can add on features to Salesforce called their App Exchange. Think about your iPhone or your Android or whatever it is. You have that app store. Maybe your phone didn't come with, some amazing scheduling tool that you needed and you just added it on, but yet you still were able to use your phone as a phone. That's what Salesforce is now. I had no idea and I really wish I knew that before. Second, I had this misconception that Salesforce is only for big companies. It's not. It's all you hear about because that's what Salesforce wants to be known for, that they work with these gigantic companies. But Salesforce is able to cater to companies as small as one. A single operator could actually be using Salesforce and they get all of the benefits of everything that's there. Would you not want to be able to track everything that's happening in your business? Would you not want to have easy reporting if you were an individual? You can use it as a single person, all the way up to these enterprise companies. And yes, the entire US government and others are running this thing, but I'm telling you, this is absolutely accessible for even just a single operator. Third, I thought Salesforce was crazy expensive. You used to look on the website and see all these different prices that they throw around all the time. It can get overwhelming. It really can. It can seem like there's no chance I can afford that. What I will say is there is a vast difference between price and value. When I was recruiting and I was using these ATSs that were 35 to maybe 75 per user per month or something like that, you got that basic ATS. You could say, what are your jobs? What candidates are matched up for those jobs? And it would basically work, right? But that's about all it could do. And you were paying maybe upwards of let's say $50 per user per month. If you could then start automating your business and now you're up to $100 per user per month, you think you're not going to get that $50 per person back over an entire month of using that? You absolutely will. Add on automation for marketing tools and the reporting that you're going to get and all the time you spend doing all the manual tasks and updating all the admin data and trying to go after all of that just stuff we have to do as recruiting firm owners. You think you're not going to make that back in a month? The value there to Salesforce is unparalleled. When you start thinking about how much one of these larger tools like a Bullhorn or Aviantes and all of the different ones that are out there, if you start thinking about all those different tools and what those kind of max price tiers are out there, you can get the same at Salesforce for probably a little bit less, and it's going to be customized specifically to you. It's going to support your unique business process. It's not going to be like what everyone else is using this piece of software for. It's only going to be for you. So there are three huge things that I wish I knew. One, it's not just a sales tool. Two, it's not only for big companies. And three, it's not as expensive as you think. I hope I save you some trouble. I want to hear some other things from you that you wish you knew about Salesforce earlier than you did.